the work of human beings, the source of blessing. When we faithfully work, we present to God activity thereby cleansing ourselves. Continue the work of creation in our endeavor, helping the needy and joining Christ the Redeemer in fulfilling His law. Let us then bless God and ask Him to shower His blessing upon all who take up the work by doing the task for which this clinic is intended.
Reading from the book of Genesis. God created man in His image. In the divine image He created him. Male and female He created them. God blessed them, saying, Be fertile and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and all the living things that move on the earth. God also said, See, I give you every seed-bearing plant all over the earth and every tree that has seed-bearing fruit on it to be your food. And to all the animals of the land, all the birds of the air, and all the living creatures that crawl on the ground, I give all the green plants for food. And so it happened. God looked at everything He had made, and He found it very good. This is the word.
Thanks be to God. So tayo kung sabi lahat ng nilikha ng Diyos ay mabuti, no? Kasi ibinigay sa tao.